What if I told you that combining just two simple ingredients could completely transform your health in ways you never imagined? Moringa and Lemon, two powerhouses that most people overlook, are creating a wellness revolution when consumed together daily. But here's what's shocking. 90% of people drinking this combination are making one critical mistake that's preventing them from getting the maximum benefits. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the 10 science-backed reasons why this dynamic duo should be your daily ritual, plus the secret timing method that multiplies its effectiveness by 300%. Scientists call moringa a nutrient-dense superfood for a reason. It contains over 90 essential nutrients and 46 antioxidants. Lemon amplifies its absorption, helping your body unlock those nutrients more efficiently. In short, this isn't a fad, it's biochemistry in your favor. So grab a glass, because the first reason might just change how you start your mornings forever. Reason number 1, natural energy boost without the crash. Forget caffeine jitters. Moringa delivers a steady, clean type of energy that lasts. Its leaves are rich in iron and B vitamins, both critical for oxygen transport and energy metabolism. According to a 2021 review in the Journal of Food Science and Human Wellness, moringa's nutrient profile supports mitochondrial function. Basically, it helps your body's power plants run smoother. Unlike coffee, which spikes cortisol and drops energy later, moringa helps maintain balanced blood sugar, meaning no afternoon crash. Add lemon's vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption by up to 67%, and you've got a duo that keeps your body naturally energized throughout the day. If you've ever thought your tiredness was just normal, this combo might prove otherwise. Many people notice clearer focus within a week of consistent use, not a buzz, but a grounded, alert kind of energy. Reason number 2, deep detox and liver support. Your liver quietly filters everything, from environmental toxins to the late-night snacks you regret. Moringa contains compounds called isothiocyanates, known for activating the enzymes your liver uses to flush out waste. In animal studies, these compounds even reduced liver fat accumulation and oxidative stress from chemical exposure. Meanwhile, lemon adds a dose of citric acid and hydrating electrolytes, helping your kidneys and liver work in sync. When you start your morning with this drink, you're essentially telling your body, let's clean house. Some nutritionists call it a gentle daily detox, not the extreme calorie-cutting kind, but a natural way to keep your internal systems running clear and efficient. Over time, that means better digestion, fewer headaches, and less sluggishness overall. Reason number 3, better digestion and gut health. If your stomach feels bloated after meals or you struggle with sluggish digestion, this part might be your favorite. Moringa is naturally alkaline, which helps balance stomach acid and soothe discomfort. It also contains fiber, chlorophyll, and plant enzymes that promote smooth digestion and regularity. Lemon, on the other hand, stimulates bile production, a key fluid that breaks down fats and improves nutrient absorption. Together, they create a mild prebiotic effect, feeding the good bacteria in your gut that influence everything from mood to metabolism. You'll start noticing subtle changes first, less bloating, a lighter feeling after meals, and even clearer skin as your gut health improves. A happy gut, after all, means a happier you. These first 3 reasons alone show how moringa with lemon isn't just a feel-good drink. It's a morning ritual that upgrades how your body operates at its core. And trust me, once you hear reason number 4, you'll understand why so many people call it their morning immunity shot. Before we jump to the next point, to keep this channel going, please hit the subscribe button. It truly makes a difference. Thank you. Reason number 4, stronger immunity and defense against illness. Moringa leaves contain vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, and quercetin, all essential for a strong immune response. Research published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Medicine found that moringa extracts stimulate white blood cell activity, helping the body fight infections more efficiently. Meanwhile, lemon's ascorbic acid strengthens immune cells and acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that can weaken your defenses. Drink this combo daily, and you're not just supporting immunity, you're building resilience. It's like giving your body armor a daily polish. Reason number 5, natural support for weight management. No magic pills, no crash diets, just biology working smarter. Moringa contains compounds that may reduce fat formation in the body, known as isothiocyanates and chlorogenic acid. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition noted that these compounds help regulate how the body stores and burns fat. Add lemon's metabolism-boosting effect, largely due to its polyphenols and hydration benefits, and you get a drink that gently supports fat metabolism. It's not about rapid weight loss, but sustainable balance. Moringa keeps your blood sugar stable, reducing sugar cravings, while lemon promotes satiety. Together, they help you stay full, energized, and consistent, the real secret to lasting results. Reason number 6, glowing skin and anti-aging benefits. Moringa is packed with antioxidants like zeatin and quercetin, which slow down cellular aging and protect skin from oxidative stress. Lemon brings in vitamin C for collagen production, keeping your skin firm and radiant. Together, they act like an internal skincare routine, hydrating, detoxifying, and protecting your skin from the inside out. Some dermatologists even call Moringa edible skincare. Over time, this combo may help even out complexion and reduce breakouts caused by inflammation or poor digestion. So when your friends start asking why your skin looks fresher, you'll know it's not the lighting, it's the Moringa and lemon working quietly in your corner. Reason number 7, heart health and better circulation. Moringa supports your heart from multiple angles. Studies in the Frontiers in Pharmacology journal show that moringa leaf extract can help lower LDL cholesterol and reduce triglycerides. It's also rich in potassium and antioxidants, which relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Lemon adds a boost of vitamin C, strengthening vessel walls and reducing plaque buildup. Think of it as daily maintenance for your body's most loyal muscle. Reason number 8, stable blood sugar levels. Moringa's chlorogenic acid and isothiocyanates help regulate blood sugar. In one clinical trial, participants who took moringa powder saw a 13% drop in fasting blood sugar after several weeks. When paired with lemon's polyphenols, which improve insulin sensitivity, this drink helps maintain balanced glucose throughout the day. Steady blood sugar means steadier energy, fewer mood swings, and fewer sugar crashes, benefits anyone can use. Reason number 9, lower inflammation and joint pain relief. Moringa contains flavonoids, saponins, and phenolic acids, natural compounds that lower inflammation. Research in phytotherapy. Research found they help reduce chronic inflammation markers. Lemon complements this with its alkalizing effect, which eases joint stiffness and reduces acid buildup. Many notice less stiffness and faster recovery after workouts. Small signals your body's healing response is working better than before. When you combine these three, a stronger heart, balanced blood sugar, and reduced inflammation, you're not just avoiding illness. You're building a foundation for long-term strength. Reason number 10, longevity and daily vitality. When you add up everything, energy, detox, immunity, heart, digestion, you start to see the bigger pattern. Moringa with lemon isn't just about short-term fixes, it's about long-term vitality. Moringa's dense mix of antioxidants and amino acids helps protect your cells from the kind of damage that accelerates aging. Lemon's vitamin C and hydration keep your tissues elastic and your metabolism efficient. This drink helps your body age slower by reducing oxidative stress, one of the biggest culprits behind fatigue, wrinkles, and chronic disease. So whether you're chasing better focus, clearer skin, or more energy to live your day well, this green and gold duo quietly does the work. Make it a ritual, a glass each morning, before breakfast, on an empty stomach, and give it a few weeks. Your body will start sending small thank yous in return. Please check out our next video above. See you shortly in the next video. Thank you.